Good afternoon, ladies. I unfortunately can't be there for this week's Girls Who Code Club BCS meeting. However, I'm here with this video to help walk you through the step-by-step things that we need to do to join this week. So there hopefully is going to be a lot of helping each other do this, and you'll have computers that I need you to A, get out responsibly, and B, put away responsibly. Exactly where they go. Plug them all in, make them look gorgeous. You know how I like it. So, first job would be to watch this video. Second job will be to go and visit the link underneath the video on your Girls Who Code wiki part. So in short, it's this address right here, hq.girlswhocodeclub.com/login. We are now going to sign up for Girls Who Code Club. What you're going to do is that you are going to use your BPS Schools account. So you're going to go Jawad at bps-schools.com or whatever your BPS Schools account is. I'm going to pretend and put a fake one in just so that I know what I've got going on here. So maybe I'll have like BCS Engage. Pretend this is my BPS Schools thing, okay? And then you're going to use your animal password, if you still are running with your animal password, right? I believe I'll do, I don't know, Meerkat 3. So then retype it. Hopefully mine passed. And then you're going to type in your first name, your last initial, not your whole name, your last initial, and your birthday. So this way we can provide a custom experience. Then we will agree to the terms of use and press continue. So it says, welcome to Girls Who Code Club. You've made it. At this point, if you are good to go and you had no problems joining, go and help your fellow sisters out there in the crowd to make sure that everybody gets joined up really quickly. Then it says, do you want Google Chrome to save your password? Just say never, just in case. And it will say, next step, join your club. Well, BCS, it's the first time we've ever had a club. So you're going to now enter your code club. Your code club will be written on the top of the whiteboard over by my learning target on the wall, but I will also tell it to you now. It's capital M, capital I, 4217, because it's Michigan and it's this. Type that in and it should show up with our school. If it doesn't, you might have done it incorrectly. Make sure that it says that your role as a student and that the facilitator is me, Mrs. Heckman. Say it looks right. Check. Now, please answer the following questions. This is just a survey. I do not want you to put your phone number in. I'll say that again. I do not want you to put your phone number in. Even though this website is a secure nonprofit, I want you to only put things in like your city, where you live, your state, Michigan, not Arizona, Michigan. You can see my voice is very, very sore, so hurts to talk. You may need to turn it up. 48073 is my zip code. Your current school is Covington. Whoa, Covington. And what your expected graduation year is. I'm going to make myself a pretend year other. Have we participated before? So skip the phone number. Don't fill that one in. Nope. Have you applied to this program in the past? Nope. What is your race, ethnicity? Now, you can say whatever race or ethnicity, or you can say other. I'm putting white. Are you currently eligible or enrolled in a free or reduced price lunch? You may not know. Unsure. And how did you hear about Girls Through Code? We heard about it through our school, right? So that should say, oops, I don't know, whatever. Maybe I should not say the year 2025. How about, come on now. Oh, my scrolling is being silly. All right, fine. So that's it. Does it say we have to put our phone number in? That's it. Add my club. It says put a phone number in. I don't think you should put your phone number in. I think you should go 1248. I think you should say 248-203-3000. That's our district's phone number. That way, you are keeping your private information private. So again, this is our district's phone number. Now, it should say that's it, add your club. Jeez. Let's see what happens next. It says you've successfully joined the club. If you have reached this point, now it's your job to stop for a minute and go and help other ladies around the room make sure that they get there. If girls are having trouble with their email, we can address it later. You can stop by and see me. But now we're going to be going into some stuff with our mini club. So I'm going to pause the video here and get what I want you to do next set up. If everybody's joined the club at this point, how about you all close your laptops because they'll stay locked. And then our instructor and our video is going to tell you what to do next. Ready?